Hi, this is Jacqueline Eckern, the founder of Eating Disorder Hope, and we would like to invite you to our monthly free eating disorder online support groups. We offer one specifically for anorexia, one for bulimia, and one for binge eating disorder. These meetings occur as follows. Tuesdays are going to be the binge eating disorder group. Wednesdays is our anorexia group, and Thursday is our bulimia group. Again, these are always the first Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of the month. They will be led by a therapist who will be able to support you and give you encouragement. You'll be able to interact with other group members. Please do remember, though, that this is just a support group, and we still encourage you to get therapy or treatment if you need it. All right. Thank you, and we hope to see you at our groups.